Hey, I'm Jade.
And I'm Matt.
We're part of the team here at Writer's Toolbox, and we want to welcome you to this special video series.
It is really special because in these clips, we cover everything, from basic operating pointers to tips from the pros. And in this first series, we have a great lineup for you.
That's right. We're going to start by looking at your students' experience of Toolbox. We'll follow with what happens when they first log in and complete their initial writing task. This way, you're completely prepared the minute you switch on Toolbox in your classroom.
And then we will show you how to set up and manage your classes, get your students enrolled, even how to add multiple teachers to a single class.
And finally, we'll show you how to set a student's writing ability and how this feature can help your students experience Toolbox at a level that's just right for them.
So, let's get underway.